each the size of a coconut. And 30 times the weight of a chicken egg. He's tended them 16 hours a day for 5 weeks. Just one more until they hatch. When it comes to father figures, ostriches are outstanding. 9 feet tall, in fact. But the world's biggest bird needs a lot of food. When hunger calls, he must leave his eggs to go and eat. Finding 5 pounds of plants a day is easy here. This is a paradise for all sorts of gigantic grazers. From the tallest to the heaviest animals to walk the earth. But raising a family